Alright, this is 4B from the Exam 1 review. We have cosine 5 pi over 6 plus sine 5 pi over 3. So this is just a unit circle question. Cosine at 5 pi over 6. That's in the second quadrant. It's going to be negative root 3 over 2. Sine 5 pi over 3, that's going to be in the fourth quadrant. It's going to be negative root 3 over 2. And adding those together, we get negative 2 root 3 over 2. We can cancel out those 2's, so we get negative root 3 as our answer. Next question is 4C from the same review. Cosine negative 3 pi over 4 times secant negative pi over 4. So cosine at negative 3 pi over 4, that's second quadrant. That's going to be negative root 2 over 2. Secant at negative pi over 4, well, negative pi over 4 is in the fourth quadrant, and secant is the inverse of cosine. So this would be the same thing as 1 over cosine negative pi over 4. So that's positive root 2 over 2. So 1 over root 2 over 2. So this second fraction is a complex fraction. To simplify that, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we get that's just going to come out to negative 1. Alright, and then this is number 14 from the Exam 1 review. This is a calculator question. We have a 16-inch diameter pizza. It's cut into 6 slices. What is the area of each slice? So here's our pizza. Cut it into 6 slices. The diameter here is 16 inches. Okay, so we want to know the area of one of these slices. There's a couple ways you can do this. One way is with the area of a sector formula. It's alpha times r squared over 2. So alpha is the central angle of the sector, and alpha must be in radians. So the central angle of each slice, well, 360 degrees divided by 6. So that central angle is 60 degrees, and 60 degrees equals pi over 3. So our angle here is going to be, the area here, pi over 3 times the radius squared. Well, radius is going to be 8 inches, so 8 squared over 2. This gives us 64 pi over 6. And I trust that you can use the calculator to figure that out. The second method to solve this is to use the area of a circle formula. A equals pi r squared. Okay, so we have the radius, it's 8. So the area of the entire circle is going to be 8 squared times pi, so 64 pi. But we are only looking for a portion of the area. Specifically, we are looking for 1/6 of the area. So 64 pi times 1 over 6 gives us 64 pi over 6, which is the same answer that we had above. And again, just punch this into the calculator.